What if the programming doesn't work? First, double check that you're following each step precisely and using new batteries. If issues persist, consider that a failing BCM, especially in high mileage Tahoes over 200,000 miles, might be the culprit. An OBD2 scanner can help identify BCM errors. If you get codes like B121, the BCM is likely the problem. DIY pairing is great for cost savings, but remember, technology is advancing. The RF systems in older models like the 2002 Tahoe are becoming less common as newer cars use Bluetooth Low Energy and smartphone apps for keyless entry. Some Tahoe owners are upgrading to aftermarket digital key systems. While DIY programming can be empowering, consider it a transitional solution. The future points towards full digitization with virtual keys and even biometrics, potentially making physical fobs obsolete. Stay ahead by exploring aftermarket apps and sustainable rechargeable fobs.